Update on the 1972 Citroen SM. Car's up and running. Unbelievable. 22 years it's been in a garage in Connecticut, and it runs great. It's required a bunch of work. The carburetors needed to be rebuilt, completely taken apart. It's got a 2.7 liter Maserati V6 with 3 Weber carburetors, DCNF 42s. And the ignition needed to be looked at, and the cooling system. It had a bunch of leaks, and I still believe the water pump is on its way out. But the hydro-pneumatic suspension works. The car is currently in a normal driving position, and I'll demonstrate that here in a second. The hood's still kind of popped. And so all that works great, and that hydro-pneumatic system also runs the brakes and the steering. And I'm still missing the air cleaner and some other bits that I haven't completely put everything back together. But why don't I fire this thing up and run the suspension. It's kind of cool to watch it go up. So currently the car is in normal mode, and I will set it to the highest mode there is, which is service mode. And you'll see the car pick up and raise really high. And then you don't drive in this mode, it's just for servicing. And then if you set it on normal or completely down, it looks like a lowrider. So awesome that all that stuff still works after all these years. The noise you're hearing is the hydraulic pump. It needs bled. I replaced the rubber jack shaft, flex joints, and a bunch of other stuff. As you can imagine, a lot of stuff was dry rotted and just old from age. But awesome. Really excited to have this in the collection. So more to come.